For the past 20 years, I've been making various styles of pronoun phrase flipbooks. They are a great visual support for learning the patterns and practicing asking and telling. The purpose of this video is to show you how to make a pronoun phrase flipbook. Between the printed instructions and this video, you should be able to figure out how to make your own book. First, print the cover, and then print one side. I do the tell side of the cards. Then I take the tell cards and I print on the reverse side, making sure I've lined up everything in my printer so that it prints the reverse side correctly. Next, using a paper cutter, I trim the cover and the inside cards. Then start putting it together, taking a look at how it would look when you're doing your tell phrases, and then when you flip it over and you do it the other way, how it would look when you do your ask phrases. When everything looks right, I use bulldog clips to hold it all together. It's now ready to have holes punched in it for spiral binding, comb binding, or ring binding. Once it's securely bound together, carefully with a scissors, trim out the bits that aren't necessary. That's how you make a pronoun phrase flipbook. Go to Teachers Pay Teachers to download the version of the flipbook that you need for your student.